Auto ads or ad units? Which should I use? Well, that is a good question. And to answer that, it all boils down to testing. Yes, guys, just test. You can use both auto ads and ad units for a week. Make sure you get enough traffic during that week, and inside the report section of Google AdSense, you will be able to check stats separately. For example, here I am showing you a small case study of this AdSense account. I will go to Ads. I will check the report for this website right here. And as you notice, the stats are shown separate. As you can see, at a 7-day period, both apparently are equal, but auto ads is bringing me more profits than ad units. Manual is referring to ad units, which are placed manually by yourself instead of auto ads, which are placed by Google itself. But if you check for 30 days, you will notice the stats are significantly different. Auto ads is bringing me double the profits. But in my opinion, I prefer to keep using both anyway. The more profit, the better, don't you think? So that's why it all boils down to testing. But still, in my opinion, it also depends on how you like the site to look more than how many ads to show or where to show them. Well, obviously, you need to place the ads on places where people will see them the most, but that is something Google will care even more than you with auto ads. Remember, Google is in this business for profiting, just as you. Okay, guys, now that you know which you should use, auto ads or ad units or both, let me show you how to handle them on your site. For auto ads, you know that the way to use them is by simply enabling them inside your Google AdSense dashboard. If you would like to use only ad units, then you can simply disable auto ads here as well. For adding your ad units to your site, we will use WP Insert, which is the easiest WordPress plugin to handle AdSense and any other type of ads. By using WP Insert, you can add your ad codes practically anywhere in your WordPress site. In-post ads lets you add ads which will be shown within the post content. You can choose different locations to insert ads from above, below, inside, middle of, to the left, to the right of post content, after first paragraph in post content from the top, and after first paragraph in post content from the bottom. And this can be applied to all posts inside your website automatically, but you can also customize that too. I will show you in a minute. Add widgets lets you add ads which will be shown inside widget-enabled areas. In-theme ads lets you add ads which will be embedded directly inside theme files, advanced users only. Shortcode ads lets you add ads which will be embedded directly inside post and page content via shortcodes. AdSense Auto Ads page level ads is the way you can use to add the Google AdSense Auto Ads code, but it is the exact same place where we add tracking codes. Legal Pages gives you a few short legal page templates to kickstart your legal notices. Tracking codes is where we placed our Google AdSense verification code, which is the same for auto ads. Here you can also add Google Analytics and other embeddable codes directly inserted into the site. Multiple ad networks A/B testing can be set up to display ads from different networks without infringing the terms of any network. At a time, only ads from one network randomly chosen will be shown. This feature can also be used to randomly display different sized ads from the same network. Authorized Digital Sellers, or ads.txt, is an IAB initiative to improve transparency in programmatic advertising. In some future occasion, Google AdSense will ask you to add this text file into your website for additional verification purposes. Here, you can do that. Okay, guys, let me show you how to use a few of these features. Our number one recommendation is to add AdSense code into the top, middle, and bottom of your post content. For better testing, we recommend creating an ad unit per specific place where you will place your AdSense codes and not one for everywhere in the page. For example, I will create an ad unique for the ad, which I will place on above of the content. Another for the middle of the content, and another for below the content. And I will also create an ad for the right side of my website, which will be used to place on a widget. Okay, so I will copy the code for the above of the content placement. We'll go to WP Insert, add a new in-post ad, and check above post content location. Here, I will paste my code. If you want your ads to show above of content of all of your posts, just leave everything like it is. But we recommend you disable the pages option, as you don't want for the ads to appear on the legal pages of your site. Here, you can limit to what countries you want to avoid showing the ad, as well as what devices and styles. Once you are done here, turn it on and click on Update. And you need to do exactly the same for the other two locations of your content. The other one you will use is the Add widget. Here, you just need to add your code. Set the rules. Geo-targeting, devices and style, turn it on, and update. Right now, the in-post ads are already active. But for the widget one, you need to add the widget to where you want the ad to appear on your site. For that, hover over Appearance and click on Widgets. Add this to the ad widget you will use, and we advise you to click on it holding the click and grabbing it to the top of the page and dropping it on the sidebar, below the categories. And you are ready to rock. And let me show you guys how the ads look like on an AdSense approved website. This one right here, it's a pop-up AdSense ad generated by the Auto Ads feature. This one in the top is an ad generated by the Auto Ads feature as well. This one is the Above Content Ad Unit, and this one is the Ad Widget Ad Unit 1. This one is Auto Ad, Auto Ad, Auto Ad. And this one would be the Middle of Content Ad Unit. And this one would be the Below of Content Ad Unit. Well, guys, that's about it for this. Let's continue.